It's really finna be like the first YouTube video or whatever y'all want to call it. So I guess I'm gonna just make that like my intro or something. OMG Ranch, because the ranch is called MG, so I'm gonna just make it OMG Ranch. I just invented my own little intro. But I'm gonna be serious. This is really like, I want to start like some for real. I just want to start, you know, vlogging my life, what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the PitBike bike stand yet, so I'm gonna put it on this. What's it called on this? After you're done cleaning the bike, you're gonna try to get your air compressor and the air gun and try to blow the whole entire bike at this point. But what you gotta watch out more is the chain. I mean, the little switches. Make sure all the water gets out of there. Brakes, carburetor, air box. Try to get all that. You're just gonna spin the tire and blow air. I'm gonna put this up and I'm gonna see if I will store right here or inside in the back room. I'm gonna try to hop on the side by side next time. I know it's pretty dark, but I'm gonna try to do the best of it. Try to apply purple power first on the side by side, so I can try to get all the thick mud and stuff. It helps a lot with the thick mud. It helps long ways. It helps the metal and stuff to not get rusty. I know that exhaust spray can be rusty, but I just started using this and trust me, it's worked awesome for me. So I just try to apply it before or after giving it a little wash with the pressure washer. I'm gonna do the rest on tomorrow because as y'all can see, it's dark outside, but that's how she looks. Not bad. That was the end of the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the next. Peace.